Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to create a membership site on Wings. So membership sites are great for offering exclusive content and building a community. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Wings account and open your website in Wings Studio. Now, if you don't have a website yet, you can create one by selecting on the template that suits your needs. Now here to create membership site, you just need to add a members area. You can go and click on the add section to basically add a membership area. And then from here, you can click on the add icon or the plus icon at the top left hand corner of your screen. And then from here, you will find the members. So from here, as you can see, and then you'll find add members area. So give each member a private account. So create member-only pages, give customers faster checkout, and build a social community. So here, as you can see, this will add the members area to your website, including a login bar and then a members menu. Right, so once you have added this members area, next we just need to set up our membership plans. Now, once you have set up your membership plans, let's create exclusive members only pages. So in the editor, just click on the page right from here and then click on the plus icon to add a new page and then create a new page and customize it with exclusive content. And once you're here, click on this members area page right here and click on add. And basically, once you've done, you can now go right here in the page settings and permissions and set up your members only page. So this restricts access to only those who have signed up for a membership plan. So from here, as you can see, you can customize the members area to match your website design. You can click on the login bar or members menu, then use the design options to change colors, fonts, and layout. So make sure the members area integrates seamlessly with the rest of your site. Now to basically manage your members, you just have to go to your member section on your Wings dashboard. So to do that, you just have to open up your Wings dashboard. And here you can view a list of all your members and their membership plans and other details. And you can also manually add or remove members and send messages to your members. So add members sign up forms to your website to make it easy for visitors to join. So to do that, go back to your Wings Studio and we should have to add a form. Right, so go back to the editor. And then once you're here, you just need to click on the plus icon at the top left. And then from here, find the contact and forms. So you can select any of the forms here and select a sign up or sign up form template. And then you can customize the form fields and design. And then you can place it on your site where visitors can easily find it. Another way here is by setting up your automations. So basically, automations can help you streamline your membership process. If you want to set up your automations, you can go back to your Wings dashboard. And right there, you'll find the automations section. So go to the left sidebar. And then from here, you just need to scroll down a bit until you find the automations. So from here, so as you can see, you can create your own automations or new automation to choose a trigger such as member signs up and add an action or an action like send an email, or you can customize the automation and save it. Now before publishing, you can now preview your membership site to ensure everything looks and works as expected. So click on the preview button at the top left and navigate through your site as a member. Once you're satisfied, click publish to make your membership site live. And that's it, you've successfully created a membership site on Wings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more web design tips and tutorials. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.